Welcome back to the universe of Tech Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn about error handling. First, we need to learn what is error handling. Error handling is a way to manage and respond to errors that occurs in a programs. It helps in prevent the programs from crashing and allows the developers to provide a useful feedback to the users. This is all about error handling. What is error means? Error is a way to manage and respond to the errors that occurs in the program. Next, we move on to the what are the common errors. For example, just you imagine like how driver has to deal with the unexpected situations like a flat tire, and programmers need to handle unexpected errors in their code. Instead of panicking, they have tools like a spare tire in real life to help them manage the situation. Other same wise same wise try catch blocks will be there, and types of errors will be there. We need to use correct suitable errors. What are the common error scenarios? The common error scenarios like the common error scenario the common error scenarios are like accessing undefined variables, division by zero, calling a method on null or undefined. These are all the common error scenarios. Next, we move on to the error handling mechanism in JavaScript. Before we move on to the error handling mechanism, we need to learn what are the types of errors, common types of errors. There are three types of errors. First one is syntax errors, runtime errors, and logical errors. These are all the common types of errors. In for coming to the syntax errors, it mistakes in the code that prevent it from running, like a typo error, something like this. Next one is runtime errors. The errors that occurs while the programs is running, like a trying to access a property of undefined. We are accessing the undefined property. It leads to a runtime errors. Next one is logical errors. The code runs but produces the incorrect results, like a math mistake, something like this. Like showing one example to basic error handling with try catch. Explain the try catch block. First, we need to learn what is try and catch, where we need to use. This is a where you put the code that might cause an error. Like try. The catch is the this is where you handle the error if it is occur. It handles the it catches the errors. Try is it handles the error. I'm taking one simple example to so, and what are the importance of error handling is it improves the user experience by providing a meaningful error message, and it helps the developers debug their code more efficiently like this. It prevents the application from crashing unexpectedly. These are all the importance of error handling usage. I'm taking one example to show. Like I'm taking one example, they create a simple function that might fail, like dividing by zero or accessing an array index that does not exist. I'm taking one example. The function divide a comma b a comma b, it returns a divided by b. Close this. After this, I'm adding a try block. In the try block, it needs to print console.log divide 10 by 0. Next, it catches a catch block, catch error. It catches the error. So at this, I need to print console.log like cannot divided divide by 0. Infinity. It prints infinity. This is all about errors handling in JavaScript. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.